Right now I am in ReckongPeo market. It's not very big like other town like Shimla, but it's like have most of the things you will get here. And there's a bus station also near, so if you want to go Kalpa, you will get buses from here only. Nearby, like you can go. This is the upper side of like market. Some shops are here for especially buying clothes, local clothes like shawls, hat, and some jackets are there with woolen stuff. And this market you will get some dry food also if have season. And this road goes to bus station also, where buses start. Most of the shops are like closed. I don't know why. Maybe Sunday due to. This is the road towards Pangi village. You can see the mountain view from here. That is Kinnaur Kailash. This is a small bus stop where you can catch the buses. It's not a bus station but only stop. And this is the way to go Chandigarh or anywhere like downside. And if you are coming from, you will come from this way. It's less colder than Kalpa. Now going back downside, you can see the river Satluj. This is new road, so still like not safe like that, like railings or something. People are washing cars. And this road, like people are making still this road, like work is going on, so maybe when you will come you will see better. Now in Sangla, this is the view of Sangla Valley. It's a more like valley surrounding, like both sides have like mountains like Kullu, you can say Manali, similar kind of, but little bit like Manali is more green, this is not like that. And this is Chitkul, last village where you can go by road. Even after there is no village, just they have like some farms. You, only locals can go. Other like the ITBP camp is there. If you can see the some shelters there is. After that you can't go further. Even this is summer, but today is very cold. And just random bridge. Now going back. So I thought to see, this is the last, like you can see this small river stream. Just before Chitkul, like hardly like 4 or 5 kilometers I guess. If you like water and this kind of area, you can stay here, hold like for some time. But in rainy season or any time, like you have to be careful, like if you are in nearby water streams, because anytime can glacier can break. So have to be careful because suddenly water level will rise. So better don't go that close to the water or be aware about that. So if you are coming here, better to come early. In evening you will not get many things. This is Sangla market in night. Even here also like most of the shops are like closing early. So if you want to have food or something, better to have like before it. Order something like around. After that you will not get many things here. Small market and busy also like so right side you can see the for this video this much. See you soon next time. Thank you for watching.